Hi, I'm Yari Worcester Heidi, and welcome to my case study on CRISPR gene editing and the ethics of human germline modification. This topic matters because CRISPR isn't just about science, it's the future of our humanity. Germline editing changes DNA in eggs, sperm, and embryos, which means that it can get passed down the line in future generations. The big question is, just because we can do it, does that mean we should?
World. A researcher in China says he worked in secret, an experiment aimed at protecting children from ever contracting HIV.
The reaction was shock and condemnation.
We just do not know the risks, and the risks could be severe. In 2018, a man made a shocking announcement. What followed became one of the biggest controversies in modern medicine. Some hailed this man as a hero who could save thousands. I had no idea how deep this rabbit hole goes. This is a story of the first genetically edited children. This is a gene editing scandal that shook the world.
Here are my poster subheadings 1 through 9. Introduction, what is CRISPR and germline editing, medical potential versus ethical risk, arguments in favor of germline editing, ethical concerns and opposition, regulatory landscape, case study examples, philosophical and religious perspective, and conclusion. CRISPR gene editing has transformed the landscape of science and medicine, but with all powerful tools, it brings both promise and peril. This case study explores whether editing the human germline, sperm, eggs, or embryos is ethically justifiable. CRISPR-Cas9 is a gene editing technology that allows scientists to cut and replace DNA sequences with precision. When these edits are made to germline cells, they're passed down to future generations, raising deep ethical questions. On one hand, CRISPR could eliminate inherited diseases like cystic fibrosis or Tay-Sachs. On the other hand, it opens the door to genetic enhancements, designer babies, and unforeseen consequences. Supporters argue it's a moral responsibility to prevent suffering, especially when safe and effective interventions are available. It could reduce healthcare costs and improve quality of life. But opponents worry about inequality, genetic discrimination, and altering human evolution. There are concerns about consent, since future generations can't agree to the changes made on their behalf. But do fetuses ever really consent? Globally, regulation is uneven. Countries like China have moved ahead rapidly, while others, like the USA, have paused germline editing in humans. This inconsistency raises questions about scientific responsibility and oversight. One famous case involves Chinese scientist Dr. He Xiangqi, who edited embryos to resist HIV and implanted them, leading to the birth of twin girls. The backlash was swift, and he was imprisoned, but the case sparked a global reckoning. Philosophers debate the line between therapy and enhancement, and religious perspectives vary. Some see it as playing God, while others believe it's a tool that can be used ethically under certain conditions. CRISPR has incredible potential, but germline editing must be approached with caution. The decisions we make now will shape the future of humanity. We must balance scientific innovation with ethical responsibility. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this case study encourages more thoughtful discussion around CRISPR and the future of human genetics.